Alright, this is the unboxing of Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. It's made by Rustoleum. I'm going to redo my bathtub, and so I got this two-part system, paint system, to refinish my bathtub. And so I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it, but I'm going to look on the side. And it says, it's easy to make your outdated bathroom look and feel like new. Remodel without the time, cost, and inconvenience of replacing. Do it yourself with just one kit. And so this kit is pretty cool. Like on the back it says one kit can cover 2 coats on your typical size bathtub. Okay, so 2 coats on the standard bathtub. That's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do one bathtub. And so I'm just going to go ahead and open up the kit and see what's going on, okay? It says apply smooth porcelain-like finish in a few hours. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox the kit, open it up. All right, sitting at the top of the kit, there is this Rustoleum tub and tile. It's a Part A activator. So I guess this is the Part A that I'm going to be using. And then down in here, there's another part. So this is the 2-part system. There's Part A and Part B. And as you can see, nothing else comes into the kit. And so with that said, there are some requirements of things that you need to buy with the kit. All right. And so the kit says, I think the instructions are at the top. We're going to read it. It says, okay, give me a second. All right. It says, okay, it shows what you needed. See that? It says supplies needed. You'll need bleach if needed. If you have mildew like in the corners of your tub, you need the bleach to bleach it out. An abrasive cleanser, so like Comment or Ajax or something like that. An abrasive pad, lime remover, okay, sandpaper, and they suggest 400 by 600 grit wet dry. And then you're going to need some tacked cloth. So there are some things that you're going to be needing as far as cleaning the surface preparation. You're also going to need a room fan, that's what it says. And then over here it says you need some paint applications. A wooden stirring stick, excuse me, a high quality short nap kitchen and bath roller, or high quality fine bristle varnish brush, or conventional sprayer or airless sprayer. And it says see manufacturer's recommendations, okay? Also, you're gonna need goggles or glasses and latex gloves. And for the cleanup, it says you need lacquer thinner or isopropyl alcohol. So those are some things that you're going to be needing as well with the supplies for the Rustoleum. I'm actually going to leave the supplies needed for the Rustoleum down inside of the description part of the page. So check that out. And so this is the unboxing of the Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot for watching.